Okay, next problem. Show that x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 touches the circle x square plus y square minus 3x plus 7y plus 14 is equal to 0. So that is our first one. First thing, we have to show that this straight line touches that circle. Okay. And the second thing is find its point of contact. Okay. So that is our problem entirely. So first of all, write the given circle. Given circle is like this: x square plus y square minus 3x plus 7y plus 14 is equal to 0. We have to show that this straight line touches this circle. That means we have to show that r is equal to d. Okay, r is equal to d. R means radius of the circle. D means perpendicular distance from center of the circle to this straight line. If you prove that condition, then the given straight line become a tangent to the given circle. Okay, so that is the first thing we have to prove. So to prove r is equal to d, first of all we have to find the value of radius. Okay, so for that purpose we have to compare the given circle with the general form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now we write the values like this: 2g is equal to minus 3, 2f is equal to 7, c is equal to 14. Okay, so from this we have g is equal to minus 3 by 2, f is equal to 7 by 2. Okay, now write the center. Center is equal to, the formula is minus g minus f. Okay, center of the circle formula. Here g means g is equal to minus 3 by 2, minus g means it become plus 3 by 2, f means 7 by 2, minus f means minus 7 by 2. Now this is the center of the circle. Okay, now we have to find the radius. What is the formula to find the radius of the circle? The formula is like this: square root of g square plus f square minus e. Okay, now substitute the values. G square means, g means minus 3 by 2, g square means we have to square this number, so minus 3 by 2 whole square means we get 9 by 4 plus f square, f means 7 by 2, f square means 7 by 2 whole square, which is equal to 49 by 4 minus c, so that means minus 14. Now we have to simplify this. So 4 is the LCM here. So 9 plus 49, here there is no denominator, so we have to multiply this number with LCM. 4, 40, 14 ja 56. Okay, so 49 plus 9, 58. 58 minus 56, which is equal to, r is equal to square root of 2 by 4, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Therefore r is equal to 1 by 2 under root. So finally this is equal to, under root 1 means it is nothing but 1 by root 2. So finally we get the value of r, radius of the circle, like this: 1 by root 2. Next we have to calculate the perpendicular distance from center to the given straight line. D is equal to perpendicular distance from center, that means c is equal to 3 by 2 comma minus 7 by 2, 3 by 2 comma minus 7 by 2 to the line x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so what is the formula for perpendicular distance? It is nothing but modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root a square plus b square. Okay, so by using this formula we can calculate the value of d. Okay, let us see the continuation. Okay, continuation. So d is equal to the perpendicular distance. The formula is like this: modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. So what is the meaning of modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c? The meaning is like this. It is nothing but just substitute the coordinates of center in this line. Okay, we have to substitute the coordinates of center in this line: x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so that is the meaning of ax1 plus by1 plus c. Therefore d is equal to, under modulus, x means 3 by 2 plus y means minus 7 by 2 plus 1. Okay, so this is the meaning of ax1 plus by1 plus c. ax1 plus by1 plus c means just we have to substitute the coordinates of center in this straight line. Okay, that is the meaning. And in denominator, square root of a square plus b square. So a means it is the coefficient of x in the given straight line. What is the coefficient of x here? Here only one term is there, so that a is equal to 1. So a square means 1 square plus b means it is nothing but coefficient of y. What is the coefficient of y here? Here only one y is there, that means coefficient of y is 1. So b square means 1 square. So a and b are the coefficients of x and y in the given straight line. Okay, so so here 2 is the LCM. 3 minus 7, sorry, 3 minus 7 plus 1 by root of 1 square means 1, 1 square means 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So find totally it is equal to root 2. Okay, modulus of 3 minus 7 means minus 4. Minus 4 by 2 plus 1 by root 2. 2 2s are. Okay, so modulus of minus 2 plus 1. Modulus of minus 2 plus 1 by root 2. Okay, so minus 2 plus 1 means it is nothing but minus 1 under modulus by root 2. So finally, the perpendicular distance from center to the given straight line is nothing but like this, 1 by root 2. Modulus of minus 1 means plus 1 only. So already we have r is equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore r is equal to d. Okay, therefore we have proved the required condition, r is equal to d. If this condition is possible, therefore the given straight line x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 touches the given circle. Okay, so that is the concept. Next, we have to find the point of contact where the tangent touches the circle. That point is said to be point of contact. So let us see that, how to find. Okay, series diagram. One rough diagram. Take a circle. So already we have to prove the given straight line is a tangent to the circle. That means you have to draw a tangent like this, and this is the center of the circle. This is the given tangent. We have to prove this straight line is a tangent to the given circle. Now, if you draw a radius line from center to this circle like this, so then this is the distance which is equal to radius, and it is the perpendicular distance. Okay, so from this concept, it is the point of contact. At this point, our straight line touches the circle. At the point of P, our straight line touches the circle. So this point is said to be point of contact. Okay, so how to find the point of contact? That is the second question in this problem. So by observing this, we have to draw a perpendicular from center to the straight line. Okay, this perpendicular is drawn from center to this straight line, and from this observation, the point of contact is nothing but the foot of the perpendicular. Okay, it is the foot of this perpendicular. So by using the foot of the perpendicular formula, we can find the point of contact. Okay. Let us say the coordinates of point of contact are h comma k. Okay. And we have to compare this equation with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And the coordinates of center are like this: 3 by 2 comma minus 7 by 2 treated as x1 y1. Okay. Let P is equal to h comma k be the point of contact okay. Therefore P h comma k is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from center 3 by 2 comma minus 7 by 2 to the line x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So point of contact means it is nothing but the foot of the perpendicular drawn from center to the straight line. Okay. So what is the formula for foot of the perpendicular? It is nothing but h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of a x1 plus b y1 plus c by a square plus b square. Okay. So it is the formula for foot of the perpendicular. So using this formula, we have to find the values of h and k. Okay. Let us substitute the values. H minus x1. So the coordinates of center are taken as x1, y1. x1 means 3 by 2. By a means it is the coefficient of x. Our straight line x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is compared with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then a means it is the coefficient of x which is equal to 1. So by 1 is equal to k minus y1 means it is the y coordinate of this center minus 7 by 2. Already we have minus here. So minus into minus become plus 7 by 2. B means coefficient of y in the given equation, it is nothing but 1. Minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c. The meaning of this is nothing but just substitute the coordinates of center in this line. Okay. Substitute the coordinates of center in this line. That is the meaning of ax1 plus by1 plus c. So x means 3 by 2 plus y means minus 7 by 2 plus 1 by a square plus b square. A means coefficient of x, it is equal to 1. B means coefficient of y, it is also equal to 1. So 1 square plus 1 square. Okay. So let us say this h minus 3 by 2 by 1. Okay. So by 1 means it is nothing but h minus 3 by 2, that is equal to k plus 7 by 2 by 1, which is equal to k plus 7 by 2, and that is equal to minus of 3 by 2 minus 7 by 2. Take LCM here. 2 is the LCM. 3 minus 7 minus 4. Both are having same denominator. So 2 is the LCM. So we take 3 minus 7, which is equal to minus 4 plus 1 by 1 square plus 1 square means it is nothing but 2. Okay. So h minus 3 by 2 is equal to k plus 7 by 2 is equal to minus of 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 2 ja cancel, minus 2 plus 1 which is equal to minus 1, minus of minus 1 by 2 which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now we take these two. H minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. K plus 7 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So h minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, k plus 7 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So h is equal to transposing minus 3 by 2 to right side. It become plus 3 by 2. Already we have 1 by 2 here. And here also k is equal to 1 by 2 minus 7 by 2. Transposing 7 by 2 to right side, it become minus. Okay. Let us see continuation. Okay, continuation. So h is equal to 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So take LCM to 3 plus 1 by 2, which is 4 by 2, 2 2s. Okay, so finally h is equal to 2 we get, and k is equal to 1 by 2 minus 7 by 2. So LCM is to 1 minus 7, which is equal to minus 6 by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, therefore k is equal to minus 3. Okay. Now we have the values of h and k. Therefore, point of contact P h comma k is equal to, h means 2 comma k means minus 3. Okay. Thank you.